Devintelle Risk Management System. Manage risk easily with our Risk Management Odoo app. Set up tags, risk, checklist and templates as per your needs. Create terms with leaders and members to manage risk assessment. Plan phases, list risk and add solution for each stage. Set goals, track risk, monitor solution and see if they work. Update tags, cancel assessment or export report in bulk. Print assessment and create details report for better tracking. Use Chatter to share update and attach document easily. Ready to transform in your risk manage? Contact us today at 7805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.